In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use avocado skin and seed to make this amazing oil. Keep watching to see how I make it. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I use avocado seed and avocado skin to make avocado oil. Okay, you can say that again: avocado skin and avocado seed for oil. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, these are my avocado skin that I've eaten. I've dried it, and those are the skin also. They are all dried. I've been drying this for a long time now. They're saving my skin, the avocado skin. Okay, in a clean bowl, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crumble the avocado skin inside a clean bowl. Guys, before I start, I'm gonna give a big shout out to Discovery Natural. Okay, she's the one that inspired me to make my own avocado skin and avocado seed oil. Okay, what I'm doing right now, please go and check her out. Okay, if you don't have Discovery Natural, please go check her out. She's amazing. I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. Please go and subscribe to our channel. As you can see right now, those are mine. Avocado seed is already dried. Right now I'm going to try to take off the back of the skin off. I'm peeling off the back of the seed of the dry part. I'm just going to peel it off. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop it up into a little bitty tiny pieces. Then I'll add it inside the skin. Avocado seed is very good for you guys. You can eat it also. And guess what, guys? I also use this avocado seed to make avocado tea. I'm going to leave the link in my description box also to watch the video how I make avocado seed tea. Never throw away your avocado seed or the skin. They have a lot of benefit. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the avocado seed. I'm going to cut it into a little tiny pieces. Okay, I'm just going to cut it. I think I dried this avocado seed a lot. Okay, I'm going to add it to the skin right now. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 1 cup of coconut oil. I'm going to be using a 1 cup of coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Any oil you feel like using, you can go ahead and use any oil of your choice. I use coconut oil. I'm using 1 cup. Then what I'm going to do, I have a boiling water on the stove. I'm just going to place the bowl inside the boiling water. I'll allow it to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then after 2 to 3 minutes, I will turn off the stove and I will cover it, allow it to stay overnight. Okay, then this is the next day, guys. This is the next day. This is my oil. Look at the seed and the skin have already infused inside the oil, guys. Can you see the color, guys? Can you see this green color after letting the oil to sit overnight? Look at the skin and the oil have already infused. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain the oil inside a cup. Okay, avocado seed, what does this oil does, it give your hair a good shine, and it also moisturize your skin. If you want to use this oil for your skin, you can also use it. I use it for my hair, and I also use this oil for my skin. What I did was I added this oil to my cream. The cream that I'm using, I added this oil to it. I shake it up, and I'm good to go. I also added this oil to my kiss cream also, because winter, you know, this winter our skin is always dry, but with this oil it make it shiny, it moisturize your skin and give, if you want to use it for your hair also, it moisturize your hair. What I'm going to do right now, I'm transferring the oil inside a container. You can put it in any container of your choice, and guess what guys, this oil can last you as long as you want. It doesn't get spoiled. It's all natural. Look at this shine guys, look at this color. It's so green, so rich. I love it. I was so happy for the outcome of this oil guys. It doesn't have a bad smell. It smells good and it's very light. It's very light. Avocado has a lot of benefit. Avocado has antioxidant. Avocado seed uh does a lot of things. Before I make this oil, I went and research guys. This avocado seed has a lot of benefit. Don't throw away your avocado seed anymore. If you are watching this video, don't throw away your avocado seed or avocado skin. Use it. It has a lot of benefit. Okay, do your research. It has a lot of benefit. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, put on your bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a video. I love you guys. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video guys. Please share this video, share to your friends, share to your family. Stay safe and happy holidays. Look at the oil guys. The oil is so shiny, it's so rich in color guys. Try this hat, okay? Try this and you will love it guys. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you Discovery Natural. I appreciate you guys. Go and subscribe to Discovery Natural channel, and you will be amazed. Look at it guys. I'm just showcasing this oil. Look at the color guys. Don't you like what you see? Don't you like what you see? Bye guys.